Hey everybody, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal, and today we're outside. We're talking about the DJI Air 3 propeller guard. And I've got my DJI Air 3 right there. And this is very exciting. I can't wait to put this on. This is gonna be great. First of all, I have to say a few things. Number one, I bought this with my own money. Number two, this video is not sponsored by DJI or anybody else. And number three, these are my own true honest opinions. I can't wait to put this on. One of the reasons I got the Air 3 is because it has a great obstacle avoidance system, in my opinion. And this gives me that next level of confidence in flying my drone. So I'm very excited to put this on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on and we're gonna put it up in the air and see how that goes. Let's do it right now. Okay, so here I'm gonna put this together and just kind of have to sort of intuit how it goes. I don't think it's super complicated. You want these to connect, obviously. So these should just connect right here and those should go together right there. Yeah, so here you can see right here, it'll say RB right back. So that makes sense. So let's try that. That looks good. Left front. Here, right front. And just connect this right here. This here, last but not least here, just slide that all the way there. Put this up here. Let's slide these together. Okay, that's what it looks like all fastened together. So you can see a little bit of work to do, but you definitely have the clearance there for the propellers, which is great, and gives you that little extra amount of confidence. Yeah, for sure, for me. Right here is this is the normal lens and with the propeller guards on it, DJI Air 3. So here you can see we've got the propeller guards on it and the normal lens. I mean, I think it's flying normally. I don't see it having any negative impact on it. They have plenty of clearance, but with the blades that I see, I really like it a lot already. It seems like a better, I feel more confident about flying this drone. Let me show you what it looks like as we go up. Okay, so look, the DJI Air 3 propeller guard, they're great. They're fantastic. It works exactly as advertised in my opinion. The only thing is, it's like, okay, well, I can't really put this in my carrying case too easily, and I have to carry them like this, and they don't really fit, you know, we haven't figured out how to put them back in the box. Obviously, they're gonna fit back here, we just haven't figured it out. And they're plastic, and you just have to it takes a little bit of time to put them on and take them off and everything like that. But totally works really, really well. And you want something lightweight, so you gotta fly with it, right? And it works as advertised and it fits, and it's just, I have so much more confidence with it on, and it's great. I mean, aren't these great, Salma?
Yeah, I love them.
When you need them or you want them, I'm glad that I have this. I'm super glad that I have it. Will I use it every single time? I don't know, probably. So it just takes you a little bit more time. It's one more step, but it's great. I feel so much more confident with this. Bottom line, it works great. In the class that it's in, it's fantastic. It fits my Air 3. I have so much more confidence with it. I really, really love this a lot. I'm saying out of 1 to 10, I'm gonna say 9.8. Salma agrees. This is great. DJI Air 3. It just takes another little step. You have to kind of put it together. It takes a little bit of time. But that's to be expected. In a propeller guard, this is what you'd expect. And it fits together, it fits the Air 3 well, it flies totally great with it, you can break it down, it just takes a little bit more time, but then the confidence level goes up. So we're very happy with this. We love it, you may love it as well. For Salma, I'm John, thanks so much for watching, we'll see you next time.